Hello class, today I'm going to show you how to get on SumDog. First, click on the picture. A new window will appear and you want to click on Login up at the very top right here. Go ahead and click it. After you click it, you can enter your student ID number for your username. Your student ID number will be different than mine. For your password, enter LABS, L-A-B-S. Be sure to type it correctly. For the school code, enter LABS, L-A-B-S. Finally, click on Login. And now we are in SumDog. The first thing you may notice is your avatar, your character. If you want to change your character, then what you do is you click on your name up here at the very top. You can change your face of your character by clicking here. You can change yourself from a boy to a girl. You can change the color of your skin. You can change your hair. There are many different styles. You can even make your hair pink or purple or blue. You can change your eyebrows, your eyes, your nose, and your lips. When you are all finished, be sure to click on Save. And now we are back at the page we were looking at before. You may also want to change your clothes. Unfortunately, the shop is closed during school hours. But if you click on this link after school, then you can change your clothes. You can also buy accessories like guitars and skateboards and bicycles. And you need to first earn coins to buy those accessories. And to earn coins, you need to play games. So don't click on this during school hours. If you do, it's just going to say shop closed. Here are my coins earned so far. And up here are my play options. I can play against the world, I can play against classmates, or I can play against a robot. Most people want to play against classmates, so select that option if you want to play against classmates. And finally, here is my animal rank. Everyone starts out as a big, fat, brown rat. Okay? And as you earn more coins, your animal rank will improve. I'm going to click on Play. Now we're back at our page that we were looking at before. You can go into games if you want to look at all the games, but an even easier way to do this is to simply click and drag to move to the next game. You can also use the arrows on the keyboard. Sometimes dragging does not work, but you can use the arrows on the keyboard. And when you want to play a game, you can click on that game or press enter. But before we do that, we need to make sure that if we're going to play against a classmate, that they have the same game selected and they click the game at the very same time. Okay? Also, over here, you want to make sure it says competition. Okay? If it does not say competition, then all of the coins that you earn will not count towards the competition. Okay? I'm going to click on this to show you what I mean. So here is the competition that I'm currently running. It's just a practice competition, but sometimes they may have a different competition up here. And if you click on that, like I did, you can see who is currently ranked number 1, number 2, and so on. Okay? Sometimes the competition may be against classrooms, and sometimes it may be an individual competition. You don't want to be in training mode. If you're in training mode, then all the games you play will not count toward your competition. They won't help you to win, in other words. So make sure that competition is selected here. I'm going to go back to play at the very bottom. And now it's time to play. Let's play a very popular game. Oh, by the way, not all games will work. Well, actually, all games will work except Snowball. If you click on this game, this is what happens. Sorry, you're not subscribed. That means we haven't paid for a subscription, so we don't get this game. If this happens to you, just click on the X up here and choose a different game. Luckily, there are plenty of other fun games to play. This is a very popular game. It's called Junk Pile. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that Classmates is selected over here, that you're playing against classmates. And you can press Enter or click on the game at the very same time as a friend does, and then you can play. Now, at first, SumDog may give you some difficult questions, but then it's going to figure out your ability level. Right now, we're waiting for other players. If there are other classmates on, then they'll join us. If not, then SumDog is going to let us verse a robot. And you can choose who you'll verse. This is normal, challenger, commander, and destroyer. I'll go ahead and choose destroyer. Starting in 3, 2, 1. So in this game, you answer questions and drag the answer down to build your junk pile. You want to make the biggest pile without it spilling. You can see the other people you're versing. So if I had other classmates, I could see their piles as well, right here. If you want to make a game full screen, then you can just click on full screen up here. If you want to quit a game, then you just click on the X up here. And that is SumDog. Have fun. Bye-bye.